What if you could access 12 powerful AI apps that help you build websites, apps, videos, games, and even sell them for 100% profit, all from one simple dashboard? In today's video, I'm reviewing NY BundleApps, one of the biggest New Year AI bundles of 2026, and I'll also show you how to unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. It gives you 12 AI-powered apps in one dashboard, designed to help you create and sell digital products with ease. It's perfect for beginners, affiliates, freelancers, and online marketers who want results without coding, design skills, or managing multiple tools. Everything runs online, works on all devices, and includes step-by-step training. Here's why NY BundleApps stands out. First, you get 12 AI apps in one place for websites, apps, e-commerce stores, videos, games, and AI voiceovers. Second, it's fully AI-powered, using advanced content and voice generation to do the heavy lifting for you. Third, it includes full reseller and white label rights, so you can sell what you create and keep 100% of the profits. And finally, everything is done for you. Templates, PLR content, marketing tools, SEO assets, and simple video training to guide you step by step. This makes it incredibly easy to start and scale. Pros: all-in-one AI ecosystem. Beginner-friendly. Multiple income opportunities. Reseller and white label rights. No technical skills required. Cons: this is a limited-time New Year launch, so bonuses and access won't stay available forever. When you grab NY BundleApps through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300+ premium tools, software, templates, and resources designed to skyrocket your online business. These bonuses help you launch faster, sell smarter, and maximize your results. If you're ready to access 12 AI apps, reseller rights, and my $43,000 bonus bundle, click the link in the description right now. Don't wait. New Year launch bonuses are limited. Grab NY BundleApps today and start building your online income system.